everyone, this is Kijibo Vlogs. If you're new reaction, please thank you to study already and welcome back to my channel. Again, gagawa natin yung reaction video ang part 2 ng interview ni Sir Mark together with Barbie. Actually, this is a podcast, not an interview. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
Kaya feeling ko,
stop yung styles.
settling down for me is,
Akala ko talaga.
like,
Hindi pa.
Akala ko nga talaga after
medyo
ko lang
We'll get there,
we
but
will
not
get there. But I really am enjoying and I'm so happy dahil I have a lot of people, good people around me. Alam mo yun, na parang nung time na nag-solo era ako. Solo, yes, pero I never felt
Ganda. Kasi mahirap
Solo,
yun na
pero
like,
hindi na
I'm always
feel
surrounded
na alone
with
siya.
saka everyday we have our own struggle na eh. Na we feel sometimes that, yes, physically maybe there's a lot of people around you, but in reality, there's only few people, minsan nga wala pa eh, nakakaintindi doon sa pinagdadaanan mo talaga. And for you to say that you never felt alone, that's also beautiful, di ba?
Oo, talagang
Mahirap makahanap ng tao
Totoo. Kaya ang
sa'yo
friend
at
ko
may
isa
intindihan
lang.
ka talaga. Because in reality, we're all humans. We have our brains are not the same.
Quality
our
over
culture are not the
quantity.
same. And then, ang swerte mo naman sa kaibigan pag gano'n, di ba?
Yes.
And ano yun, blessing yun. It's a blessing talaga.
Actually, oo, blessing talaga siya.
And I'm happy na, kasi before I've known you lang as Barbie, artista yan, gagawin ko yan. But now, as a person, sabi mo, parang kami na-introduce. Di ba?
Actually,
Yung banding namin, yung camaraderie namin yan, parang mas bet ko siya now.
Yes.
Diba?
Actually,
Mas
same.
ano,
Akala ko
mas
talaga si Barbie
grounded.
lang siya.
Oo,
Mas
yung
tao.
kalmang-kalma tayo talaga
Mas
na.
human.
Isa nakakalimutan na nga natin. Sobrang honest. Siyempre, I research about your glam team talaga.
Okay, I
diba?
love it.
You also changed the way everything, yung pamumuhay nila. They appreciate you so much. So I will just read this kasi actually I asked Nanay Fatima talaga to have a video or voice recording.
Oh my
Sige nga.
God! Oh my God!
Pero
I
sabi
love
niya, Ma, parang hindi ako pang ganyan.
it. I love it. I love
So I'll
it.
just read it to you. Sabi niya, I'll just message na lang.
Message. Aww.
Sabi niya, masasabi ko kay Barbie, basta happy siya, happy din kami. Napakabuting bata, wala kang masasabi sa kanya. Kaya mahal na mahal ko yan, simula nung 12 years old till now, hindi pa rin nagbabago. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Nak, I love you, Nanay Fatima.
Aww. I love you, Nanay Fatima. Alam mo, hindi ko pa alam na nag-message at
Si
tribute
Nanay
na to para sa kanya eh. Actually,
I
love
messaged
you,
her,
Nanay Fatima.
last night lang. Sabi ko,
Aww.
I think will be more personal if I'll ask the person na who's really involved with your looks talaga. And sobrang napaproud ako sa'yo, sa kanya, at the same time na you keep yourself talaga together. Para siyang relasyon. Alam niyo, pag having a glam team, para siyang relasyon
Yes.
talaga.
Kaya dapat hindi mo sila tratuhin bilang empleyado mo lang. Kailangan talagang mahalin mo sila. So, having a good
Dapat talaga
relationship
family.
with your glam team means a lot and it will really go a long way. Dahil ako, in my experience, mahirap bumuo ng team.
Oo,
na
yun
yung
daw sabi ni
talagang
Akla. Oo.
hiyang ka, masaya ka sa company nila, ganyan.
Importante yun.
Yes, oo, kasi hindi naman lahat ng shoot 3 hours lang eh. Yung iba 24 hours.
Grabe.
Ang hirap naman nung hindi kayo swak sa
Magganyanan kayo
ugali,
lang,
di
di
ba?
ba? Para magtitigan lang kayo.
Oo.
Yes, importante.
Diba? So, dapat okay kayo.
So, do you have any message pala to Nay Pat? Nakikinanay ako. no?
Yes.
Nay Fatima.
Nanay Fatima, ang gusto ko lang sabihin, from the bottom of my heart, I'm
Ano?
really happy na I found a
Genuine
second
talaga siya,
mother
no?
in me. Parang
Genuine
hindi
talaga
mo ako
siya.
titrato ever as artista. Talagang anak talaga ang turing mo sa akin. So, and never mo kong ginudge. Parang feeling ko, ikaw ang bukod sa pamilya ko,
Parang
ikaw ang
nakonsensya naman
talagang
doon, no?
nakakakilala
Never mo
sa
kong
akin.
ginudge. Hindi
And
ba before
and
na-judge
never
ko si
mo akong
Barbie?
ginudge. And
Parang nakonsensya
you're
naman ako
always
doon
there
for today's
for me
video
to support
Barbs.
me.
Parang
And
pinaparinggan
you
naman
love
ako ni
me
Barbie
very
dito.
much.
Wow.
And that is very rare. So
Ever.
maraming salamat. And I love you. Ang wish ko for you ay sana maging malago pa ang Fatty Mart. Meron siyang tindahan ngayon sa Tarlac.
I
May
love
sari-sari
it.
store
Tika
siya.
Tarlac pala sa
Tarlac.
kababayan
Yes!
ko pala siya.
Fatty Mart.
So yun, and sana ay palagi kang malusog dahil in our line of work, it's very flexible. So take care of your health kasi I love you so much. I really care for you. And sana magka-jowa ka na.
Can you wish that also for me? Ah!
I think I'm happy to see you right now na ganyan.
Hindi, pareho tayo. I mean, like, we're both like, ako rin am enjoying the moment that ito mo, nagagawa ko itong mga bagay na to.
Exactly. Yun, ganun. So yun, thank you, Nana. I love you.
So, I can say that you've made a mark as an artist. Diba? I mean, in so many different ways talaga. And we also see how you created also a platform to Nay Fatima, to Tony, and to Genre, that they're also seen. Diba? Kasi that's what we want as a person, we wanted to be seen.
Yes.
But you as a Barbie now, na ito na yung Barbie Fortesa na kilala ko. For you, what is the meaning of to being seen now?
Parang it's part of being human, being seen, ganyan. Kasi when you say it, parang it sounds easy.
Yes.
Parang ang dali niyang gawin, pero parang hindi lahat ng tao kayang gawin yun sa'yo. For, I don't know, whatever reason.
So,
ganun.
parang,
So, I feel like
kasi sometimes, di ba, we tend to define it being seen because I'm famous, being seen because I am successful. But more than that, being seen is, dapat tanggap ka ng tao kung paano pag wala na yung mga camera?
Yeah.
Paano pag hindi na tayo nagsushoot?
Mm-mm.
Di ba? Paano pag behind the scene, ito lang yung kaya ko? So, yeah, ganda.
I think mas yun. I think it's the most humbling thing to be seen at your best and at your worst.
You had me at my best. Sure.
Hindi!
Hindi yun.
Hindi.
But yeah. And what is your message naman to aspiring creatives that wanted to enter
May pa-message na si Barbie.
like our industry, who wanted to be a makeup artist or a hairstylist?
My message to the aspiring creatives out there, hindi ako nagpapaka-showbiz, pero katulad nga ng sinabi ni Mark, matagal na rin kaming magkasama. So, I think magandang reference si Mark.
Wow.
Hindi, I mean, di ba? I mean, to not give up, to actually pursue your passion. Make it your own. Don't fall into trends. Ganyan. If you want something,
The words of
if you dream
wisdom
of
from Barbie
something
Fortesa.
na feel mo
Hindi
ikaw
kaya.
lang yung nakakita at ikaw lang yung naniniwala, then go for it. Yourself is enough. And don't ever think na imposibleng mangyari yung pangarap mo. Kasi, ikaw lang naman din ng makakagawa ng paraan para mangyari yan. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Mark Salon because
Excellent.
he made a mark as well.
Grabe,
I love
grabe.
it.
Parang hindi tayo i-closing si Barbie Fortesa. Parang tinulosing niya na. But, yeah, thank you very much, no.
Si Barbie
It
na
is
palang
true,
nag-close
diba, na there
for
will be a
today's
lot of challenges and hindrances along
Siya
the way,
na palang
especially in the
nag-close.
creative
Gusto
way,
mo
because
yun?
marami ang mga bulong kesa sa sarili mong bulong. But in the end of the day, all you have to do is just to follow your heart.
Follow
Whatever,
your heart.
even 3 hours kami dito ni Barbie magbigay ng advices, in the end of the day, ikaw pa rin,
pa rin.
susundin mo pa rin yung sarili.
Exactly.
Again, thank you so much, Barbie, for
Okay.
saying yes. Meron na naman akong bagong gratitude sa'yo talaga. Grabe.
Anyways, that is our for
Grabe
today's
si-
video, the part 2 of the podcast ni Sir Mark. In fairness naman, dito naman full of full of wisdom naman sa pinaka-last part nila. This is King Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye!